So now let's see how we can work around with blue screen key and chroma key inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with those, I'm going to go around under Project Assets and then double click right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around and select out the blue screen right here and click on Open. So once I do that, I can go around and click and drag the blue screen key over here on this particular video right here, just like this. And if I were to press the play button, then you can see that this is a video right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to make the blue transparent, and that is where the blue screen key actually comes in. So you can go around and click around the effects right here, just like this. And then what you can do is you can go around under keying, and over here you can see that blue screen key is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this around over here on this particular footage, then you can see that the blue actually gets moved out. You can change around the threshold, as you can see right here, to clear out, as you can see right here. So there's a bit of blue right here, but you can go around and change this around to make it more let's say for example proper. You can change around the cutoff as well. You can choose mask only, and that allows you to be more precise. So you can see that there's a bit of gray on the back, but if I were to change this in the threshold, you can see that it's totally black, and you can see that there's a bit of transparency over here going on right here. That is not what I want, so I'm just going to go around and change this around. You can go around and choose out smoothing right here to make it more smooth as well. And if you were to disable the masking, then this is what you have. As you can see right here, the video is transparent. So if I were to double click and bring, let's say for example, another video, not this one, but let me just go around and bring in this video right here. You can go around and bring this back right here, and you can see that this is the end result. You can see that it is actually transparent right here, just like this. So that is one. And another thing that you can do is you can also use chroma key instead of the blue screen key. So I'm just going to go around under effects right here. So let me just go around under the blue screen itself and then select this out and delete out the blue screen. Then what I can do is I can go around and apply out effects right here, and then what you see is you see the chroma key right here. If I were to go around, click and drag this out over here on the chroma key, let me just go around and add this in on this particular blue screen video itself. So I'm just going to go around, add in the chroma key on the blue screen, and then this is what you have. You can see that this is actually transparent right here. But what I want is I want the blue to be transparent. So I'm just going to go around and take the color picker right here and choose the blue, and then you can see that that is more transparent. But you can see that this is still still not very perfect. So you can go around and change around the similarity index right here, change around the blend, the threshold right here, as you can see, and then choose around the cutoff level, and then use let's say smoothing right here, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now it is better keyed right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with blue screen key and chroma key inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.